what I was strutting into tonight. I don't know what the hell I was meant to do with that. But on the bright side, guys, I'm blind, Joey. I will be ending the show as well as starting the show tonight. So it may be the best moment for you guys, but it's also my best moment being shown tonight as well. I know there's so many to choose from, honestly, but I've narrowed it down. And
as long as it don't involve me, alright?
We'll find out later, guys. So the best is yet to come. Okay, Joe?
I give it to the wrong person.
Shannon awarded a winner's trophy to the wrong person this season.
Yeah, Carissage's season.
Absolutely shocking, Shannon. But you know what? High five, because that is totally something I would do. I'd go along the line and be like, yeah, no, yeah, no. But don't worry about it, we all make those mistakes and we win. They literally asked me, would I like to go and audition for Britain's Got Talent. So for producers to see that, there's got to be some kind of talent on this stage, guys, yeah? Yeah? They're seeing what you lot are seeing, yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Oh, right, I could stand here and talk about myself all night, you all know this, but we've got to get started.
Get it on, sugar, let's get it on. Woo. I'm just a dancer, someone who knows gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk.